good. I'm up with my next video, and this video is basically for those who ask me what makeup I wear and what products I use when I click photos at home and the self-portraits I take. So I'll be showing you how I did this look, and if you haven't subscribed me yet, then please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and also like, share and comment on this. So let's get started. I start up washing my face first every time, and then I apply any makeup. So I wash my face with this face wash, Lakme Blush and Glow Strawberry Blast, and also sometimes this, but this is new in the market and this is like average kind of, but this face wash is the best. This is absolutely perfect. So I've already done. Then I start my makeup with this Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream. So let's apply. I don't use much.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And next I'll apply my eyeliner. I use this eyeliner, Lakme Absolute Shine Line. So let's apply.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Yes, I'm done with my eyeliner. Yes. And next I'll apply this mascara. I use this mascara, Maybelline Hyper Curl, like something this one. Guys, you can see the difference. Isn't this perfect?
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon.
Done. Done with the lashes. And last, my lipstick. So I'll use this lipstick. This is nice. I use Lakme most of the time, and sometimes this. So this is Lotus Eco Stay. But before that, I have to line my lips. So first.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Then again I line my lips to get the perfect look. Not perfect, but perfect for me, of course.
and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys,
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
This is all I do before clicking photos at home, and I really do not know how to make up. I'm not a good makeup person, but this makeup sometimes turns out to be good. You can suggest me some good makeup tips in the comment section. I'll be really happy to see those. You can also tell some topics on which I will be doing my next videos. I'll really appreciate those, and I'll try to do videos on those topics. So thank you so much for watching this whole video. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share, and please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll be coming up with my next video very soon. Thank you. Bye.